So guys, kuko na breaking news. Breaking news inasema nini? Acha ni Scott hivi mnione vizuri. Breaking news inasema that government stops live broadcast. So in short, watu wote wa news wenye wanakava maandamano wameambiwa wasikave maandamano. What can you do? Your phone. Sasa washa simu. Kama ulikuwa umezima simu, tafadhali washa kamera, washa zote, Snapchat, TikTok live, Instagram live, zote. We will cover it with our phones. Thank you. Wame panic. Guys, wame panic if you got one. Wame panic. If you won't allow us to dream, we won't allow you to sleep. Half time. Wow. Okay, but KTN wamesema they will continue broadcasting live.
So guys, this is the SCK All Saints Cathedral Church. Protesters came to shelter in here, but police officers, let me just show you. Let me show you. This is the church. They have just thrown tear gas canisters into the church. There they are. There are reverends there. Yes. There they are. There they are. There they are. There they are. So here they are. Here they are. Thank you so much.
Thika Road imechemuka. Kuja. Thika Road imewaka. Hapa it's boiling nicely.
Kenya ni home. Kenya ni home. One town. 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 One town.
Ni kwa kumbusha wahenga na waenguzi walisema kidole kimoja haileti freedom, na ndio maana leo tumesema siri ni namba. Tunasema aje dada? Chelewa utapata tia gas imeisha.